In this video, we will get you through the simple steps to set up your integration and share a few tips along the way. First, after installing GamiPress, navigate to GamiPress, Settings, Add-ons tab, and make sure to check the box for BuddyPress and BuddyPress Profile tab. This will control what appears on user profile. Next, go to the Youzify panel, head over to the General Settings, and find the GamiPress settings. Turn on the integration, and if you like, you can enable or disable badges from here too. You can also customize where to place your GamiPress widgets. Simply go to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, Profile Structure, and adjust it to your liking. Finally, you have the option to enable or disable the Points tab and Badges tab, and even change their titles. Just go to Youzify panel, Profile Setting, Tab Settings to make those changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can integrate Youzify and GamiPress to create engaging, gamified experience for your community. Ready to get started? Head over to your Youzify settings